Hi, my name is George. Now, do you find it difficult to have an erection, or does the erection last for a very little time, thereby leaving your partner sexually frustrated and unsatisfied? Now, you may be suffering from erectile dysfunction. Now, don't worry, because I'll be talking to you about a product today, which will give you more information on how to deal with this problem. So, erectile dysfunction is very common in lots of men, and it is caused by the reduction of blood flow to the penis, which can be for a number of different reasons. Now, in my own case, the problem was so bad that I used to avoid having sex with my partner because I was scared of what will happen. Now, it was only until I came in contact with the ED reverser that I was finally able to beat the problem and begin the process of actually be able to perform and have more confidence in myself. Now, the ED reverser guide will give you a step-by-step all-natural approach to dealing with this problem permanently. So it's not one of those things that you're going to be using and then you keep, maybe like pills that you keep popping pills all the time. This is something that's going to give you a step-by-step approach on how to deal with this problem and overcome it immediately. So what I suggest that you do today is to click the link in the description box below right now to find out more and start dealing with the problem today. Thank you very much and have a brilliant day.